Good evening, everyone. I just want to share with you guys what I came to mail yesterday. But I haven't opened it up yet. I was gonna wait until I had some private time to open it up because what it is a package I got from Temu. Again, it came in. I ordered it 2 weeks ago, and it got here yesterday, which is impressive. First of all, I didn't pay for shipping. Second of all, it came from China, so that's impressive. That's really impressive. I'm not sure what arrangement they made with the United States government, but Temu is all that. So anyway, it's I don't item I saw on TikTok, but I got it from Temu because the price was lower on Temu, and I'm gonna open up right here in front of everybody. Okay, let me show you. There we are. There's a package, and just waiting to be opened. And when I open it, after I open it, it will revolutionize the way I take camera footage from then on. Let me just get to open it so you guys can see. All right, let me see if I can do it this way. And hopefully it will work. Damn. This should work. I don't know why it's not. Won't do. Look at this. Check it out. See it? See it? That's it. Right there. It's let's see. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Check it out. Human face tracking holder. That's what it is. And so now So yesterday I was so excited about this that I fired Zion. Zion has been my cameraman for the last 7 years because he always did such a good job, you know. Then I tried my daughter. She was just too short. So I told Zion, "You're fired," yesterday. Hopefully, I didn't do it too prematurely. So we're gonna take a look at this and see what's inside. There it is, opened. Pull it out. Let's see. You guys do realize I'm doing this with one hand, right? So let me try this. There we go. And inside there's a charging cord and some instructions. I figured it'd be in Chinese. Something told me. Oh, it's in English too. All right, so that's my handy. So here's the device, and for what I understand, I can connect it to a tripod, make it even better, or make it even more versatile. So now I gotta take this tip off and get to work. Next time you see me on this, next time you see me, it will be on this. Let me check and make sure it doesn't need batteries. Because if it does, that will delay my return on camera. But until then, this is it, y'all. This is the camera face tracker from Temu. I think mine was like $17 or $17.99 or $18, something like that. So I'll put the link in my description so you guys can get your own copy and change your life. All right, I'm back. Let me say this. Here's the auto face tracker, but here is the camera inside the device already. And so I think that's the camera, because other unboxings of this I saw, they were saying that's the camera. So I'm just parroting what they said. But so far I can't find out where the batteries go. I turn it on, and nothing happened. No lights, no nothing. So it looks like I spent some time. It looks like I have to spend some time with the manual and learn the ins and outs of the thing. So I might have spoke too soon. Huh. When I figure it out, you'll know. All right, y'all. Remember, Temu. I got this from Temu. I'll put the link in my description of the video so that you just click right on it. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Okay. I'll put the link in the description so you just fuck. So you just click on it and go right to the page. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. I charged up the device. Now the power turns on. But aside from that, it works perfectly. It does exactly what it says it's gonna do. I have it sitting on some boxes right now. So it's probably not functioning the way it should right now, because they may be calling a delay in the traction. But you see what it's doing is pretty much trying to do what it says it does. So this is it. Temu. Temu has a lot of great deals for very cheap, for dirt cheap, really, because this item was like 30, 31, $37, something like that, on a TikTok shop, right? Okay. But so I went to Temu and see if they had the same item. They did, and in fact, it comes in black, which is what I got, white, and like a pink or copper color, I think it was. So Temu was twice as less, twice as no, it cost twice two. It costs less with Temu, $17. Whereas TikTok shop, it costs $31 or $37. I can't remember. Now I actually think I saw a price for $43. So of course people are gonna price gouge and try to take advantage of people. But I got this for $17. Now put the link in the description, and so you guys can get your hands on it. So you guys can get your hands on the device and enjoy the benefits of the auto face tracker. All right, y'all. Take care.